Do Let Me Call You Sweetheart one more time?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you. Let me hear you whisper that you love me too.
Keep the love light going.
Keep the love light going in your eyes so blue. Let me hear you whisper, I love you.
Uh-oh.
No.
The last line.
Let me. I can't remember now.
I think
That's all right.
you're pretty close. Let me call you sweetheart.
Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you.
Yeah. Good. Great.